G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a cockatoo.
I'm singing cockatoo, yeah, cockatoo.
This recipe calls for salted caramel liqueur, advocaat and coconut cream. You'll also need a cockatoo for your garnish. Get some ice, stick it into your shaker, then add 45 ml of caramel liqueur, 60 ml of coconut cream, and shake. Add some ice into your glass and pour the mixture over the ice. Put some advocaat into your shot glass and carefully pour over the top. And add a cockatoo as your garnish. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.